Before you begin, install Surveillance Station and DS Cam and make sure they are the latest versions. Open the DS Cam app and enter your DSM account username and password. Before connecting the camera, ensure that it is powered on and the blue LED is flashing.
Ready to connect.
Also, make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your phone. The camera connection prompt will automatically appear. Select your camera, then tap Next. Select a Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Tap Connect. Wait for a few seconds.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Connected.
Set up an account and password to initialize your new device. Then tap Initialize. There will be a preview selection to verify the initialized camera. If the camera is correct, tap Next. You can configure the essential camera settings, including storage preferences and recording options. Tap Done. The software installation is now complete. Start enjoying a better surveillance experience with Synology.